We started in 2023 with the discovery of knowledge management. 2 years later, we started the knowledge for self-service and contact center with the advisor desktop and the API integration within our website. And in the beginning of this year, we did the AI agent for self-service. Where did it start? The cause, it was pure frustration. We had no single source of truth. We had different answers. And also managing this content was really hard because we didn't have a knowledge management team. And another thing, we launched a new product, OVP. So how do we ensure that accurate and consistent information reaches passengers in the right way? We had 3 main goals: increase self-service, high customer satisfaction, and smooth and simple service. So we had knowledge from eGain in web, in-app, customer support, voice bot, chat, and email. Why eGain? Well, I think the main focus was on the variety of channels. It was fully aligned to all our requirements we set up. Out of the blocks, personalization was possible within any questions we had. And we wanted an omni-channel platform, central hub for all of our content, single source of truth, how we know it now for building the AI. Then there was the launch of KIM, our knowledge hub. We had a successful launch to the first and the second line agents. You see different categories. We had a news section. We had a top 5 based on usage, mandatory article, new articles, and amended articles, all for our end user, the agent. The agent portal also has the feedback functionality, what's really important in our knowledge management team as a process, because with the feedback option, we get already feedback every day from our customer, the agent. Authoring. Of course, there are AI possibilities within the authoring. So, for example, we have Dutch and English articles. So we just had to click on the button to translate it into English. So we saw within 1 year an increase by 40%. And if we look to the improve of self-service, we saw within a year an increase of 11%, because we did not only integrate it into our agents, but also in the website. This is where we started in 2025. Knowledge for self-service and contact center. This, what you see right now, is our FAQ page. The categories are from eGain. And also the frequently asked questions is from eGain. So when we change something in eGain, it will immediately change on our website. The same in the search category. It's searched within eGain. And besides this, we also get the analytics and the feedback within the APIs. And this year, a big milestone, because we set up the AI agent for self-service. This is actually where we built the base for, because we set up the knowledge hub, we had all the items in place, and now the big moment was there, because was it good enough to go through AI? Set up taxonomy, focus on the most frequently asked questions. Do user testing all over again, test, 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 test. And then the human in the loop. Does the bot deliver the correct response? And then, of course, the AI content strategy. This is the outcome. But the results were really, really nice, because the bot handled 80% of the incoming questions. These are our categories within a taxonomy, and we could clearly see, okay, where we have to tweak the content, and is it about the content or something else? Do we need to do something about the process? Here's some numbers, and interesting is that 38% of all of our contacts goes through the chatbots. Well, where we stand now, 2026, from knowledge to value. of course, we're starting live chat. The AI agents for contact center and voice assist.